Hi, today I'm for the Cat S75 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So we should first open the box. So here we got the place for our phone and let's just open it. So we got here some paperwork, the warranty card, quick start guide, the safety guide, the SIM card, and also I got here the USB Type-C cable, and that's it. The all of the box accessories with which our device comes. So I think here we got okay. I can't find here the SIM eject tool. So unfortunately we have no here any earbuds, the protective case and the charger, the adapter. So all of these accessories you should buy them separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.